Hello there, and I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. And I just made this short video because I have been feeling a little down lately because my yard is transforming into fall, winter. Things are dying. It doesn't look as good as it did in the summer, spring and summer. And I really just wanted to make a video about finding the beauty in my life, finding the beauty in my yard. And you know what? If you look hard enough, you're going to find it. So have a great holiday season and enjoy the video. I challenge you to find the beauty around you, whether it be in your house or in your yard. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you found. Happy Thanksgiving, and thank you so much for watching.